to my channel. Welcome to another house to home video. In this video we are going to be doing my spare bedroom, and this room was a mess. I'm not like excited or eager to do much to this room, mainly because this will be turning into my nursery within the next year. Obviously, like you guys know, we hope to become pregnant in September so that way we can have the baby by next June, July-ish. But so with that being said, we didn't want to paint this room. We didn't want to do too much. We just wanted to kind of spruce up a little bit and get rid of our old mattress. Let me just tell you guys, this mattress that we had has been in my family. It was my great-grandfather's mattress, and then my aunt had the mattress, and then I had the mattress, and then finally we were like, we need to get rid of this mattress. So shout out to Lull Mattress, and thank you, a huge thank you to Lull for sending me this mattress to do a review on. I've had it for about 2 weeks. Jack and I both slept on it, and then the kids and Adrian slept on it since it is in my guest bedroom. So right now it's not going to be a main mattress for me, but once I make this into my nursery, this will become my nursery mattress. So I received this mattress personally for myself and for my own liking, not really caring too much about Jack. But you will see Jack towards the end of the video. But with that being said, the mattress is a little more firm than I personally like. So with that, it's not like a super soft mattress, but it's not like super firm, because Jack and I are both kind of we're kind of in between people. We don't like it extremely soft, but we don't like it extremely hard. So it's right dab in the middle, and this is a full-size mattress. So it's a little tight for 2 adults, but for Adrian and 2 toddlers, it fit perfectly. They all were able to sleep in this mattress perfectly. But when Jack and I both slept in this mattress, it was a little tight. We were a little uncomfortable. So if you are buying this for yourself, your family, you and your husband, whatever it may be, I would definitely suggest a queen size, king size, however big size of a mattress. But for this room and for what I wanted it, like I said, a full size worked perfectly. So whenever you buy this mattress, you do get free shipping and free returns, so you don't have to worry about paying $30 extra for shipping, because it is quite a heavy mattress, and also worrying about returns. So if you don't like it, you do get a 100-day trial. So you have 100 days to try out this mattress, see if you like it, see if your partner likes it, your family likes it, whatever it may be. See if you or whomever is using the mattress likes it, and if you don't like it, you can return it. And there's also a coupon for $150 off of a mattress of your choice. So that will save you some coins, because mattresses can be pretty expensive, and I believe these mattresses are pretty affordable in itself, but still saving $150 is a steal. So make sure you guys check out the link and also the coupon code down below to check out the mattress and see if it fits for you and your family. So with that being said, we just spruced up this room. We got new curtains, we got a new mattress, we got new sheets, we got new comforter, all of that, and everything else in this room remained. So if that is something that you are interested in, seeing this room transform, because it was a hot mess, let me tell you, a hot mess, then please keep on watching. Here is the before of our guest bedroom. It was a wreck. This room literally was hideous. You guys remember from the house tour how it looked with the loft bed. We got that bed out of there, and this room was just the drop-in den. We literally threw everything that we didn't need in any other room in this room. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and see how we transform this room. So with the free shipping, the mattress does come directly to your door. This was shipped through FedEx, and FedEx isn't my favorite shipping people, but it came in a timely manner. It didn't take forever or anything like that, and it actually wasn't too heavy to move. I did do this completely by myself, but I'm just going to move it to the back room. If you guys saw the house tour, this is going into the spare bedroom, as I mentioned earlier. And I just wanted to show you guys the frame that I'm putting it on. We decided to go with a loft bed style bed frame for this mattress, just because I didn't want to get a box spring, and you don't need a box spring with this mattress either, but I wanted something that sat a little higher on the ground, off of the ground, for putting Adrian in the bed and for the kids and things like that. So we decided to go with a black railing loft style bed, and we did buy this from someone nearby, but you can get this bed off of Amazon. I forget the brand, so don't ask. But Jack and I did end up putting this bed together, and all you have to do is just take it out. It comes with a nice like cardboard box covering, so the entire mattress is covered and it is sealed in plastic. So once you like pull it out, it's just like any box that you pull, like anything that you pull out of a box, it's kind of like suctioned in there. But once you get it out of the box and you unwrap it, it's actually not that heavy. What I also love about this mattress is it doesn't have springs. My last mattress had springs and they were a pain to move. It just made it so heavy and actually very uncomfortable. So this is a foam mattress, as you guys know, and it can be rolled up and just repositioned into anything. Like it's actually pretty cool. So Jack is going ahead and unrolling it right now, and we're going to start taking the plastic off of it. It does have that outer plastic coating to protect from like shipping and everything, and then the mattress itself comes in its own little plastic covering, and it is very vacuum sealed, which I thought was also pretty cool. So you'll see once we get the bed out of the plastic coating how it'll start to expand, and they do say to give it 24 to 48 hours, so 1 to 2 days for the mattress to fully expand before, you know, you thinking anything is wrong or it's super flat or anything like that. So you do want to give it 2 days. But as I mentioned earlier, this is a full size bed, and the bed frame itself has some like sticky tape to it, so we had to actually reposition this bed a couple of times to make sure that it was on the bed exactly like how it was supposed to be, and it kept sticking to the bottom. So we were like, okay, let's move again. But I was so hot, you guys. It was hot this day. I was tired. I was ready to get this mattress up and ready to lay down. Like I just was ready to just enjoy the mattress, and here you'll see me like like, oh my gosh, it's so soft, it's so amazing. And then obviously I'm just posing on the mattress, because who doesn't want to pose on the mattress, right? So you guys, this is the Lull full size mattress. It's a memory foam mattress that they ship to your door, as I mentioned earlier, and I also have a code for $150 off to save you some cash money. But so far so good with this mattress. I'm excited. We're going to be testing it out for a full week to give you guys our full thoughts and opinions and everything like that. And as I mentioned, that will be at the end of the video. So make sure you guys keep watching. We're going to throw some sheets on here and everything else and get ready for that. The sheets we ended up putting on were gray. I decided to go with the theme of black, white, and gray, and then this teal color that's on the wall, because the teal color, like I mentioned, we didn't want to do any painting or anything like that because we're waiting until we know what we're having for a kid to completely remodel this bedroom. But for the time being, we just put on some cheap sheets from Amazon. I literally, you guys, ordered like a $14 pair of sheets. Like I wasn't like super like I need to have some nice like Egyptian cotton sheets. I was like, whatever I can get for the time being that's affordable and under $100, let's do it. Like I wanted to make sure that this room, that I did this decoration for under $100. Granted the mattress is like 3 times that, but just like anything that I bought myself, I wanted to make sure it was under $100 because I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And here I'm just tucking it in, gonna do a military hospital corner bed type style and just make sure everything is tucked in really nicely. And this bed frame I love because I can just move it around myself. Like it's not a heavy frame, and I put it together myself. Pats on the back for that. Then I found this really soft like blanket. Oh my god, this blanket is super hot in the summertime, but like wintertime it's gonna be love. And it comes with the matching shams for the pillows as well, so I put this on there. This is black, so it goes with the whole theme, and also the curtains, but it just feels so soft, you guys, so soft. So we just put on the pillowcases, we just put our old pillows. We did end up buying new pillows for our bedroom, and then for this one we were just like, let's just put the old ones in here and just put the cases on it and call it a day kind of thing. We just, it's a theme. We just weren't really too worried about it for this specific room. Also had 2 little throw pillows that I took the previous covers off of and put these on. I ordered these from Amazon, and I actually thought these were throw pillows in itself, but they were just the throw covers, and I'm so glad I had these extra pillows laying around that I just wasn't using. It was just in a closet somewhere. So I put these pillowcases on it, and it went perfectly. It tied in the teal, it tied in the white, it tied in the gray, it tied in everything, and it also had a little bit of black in it as well, and it just tied everything in together and made this room really come alive. I also got this gray throw blanket from the wedding, and this is the after. We still don't have our TV stand up yet, but as far as right now, this room, the main focus is the bed. We have an extra bed, so if we have guests or friends or family or whomever, we have a bed to throw the bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to check out the link, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.